Hello guys, welcome back to the vlog. So it will be a very short video for today's vlog. We'll be replacing the cabin filter on this 2012 Volkswagen Beetle Turbo. So I got the cabin filter from fcpeuro.com. Yep, so this is the carbon treated one. So yep, come on, let's replace the cabin filter. Okay, so first thing that we need to do is to remove this liner in here. If you can see, it has the one that over here. So just pull it out. Just simply pull it. It's very easy to pull it out. So then you'll see the tab here. Just pull this one on the side to release the cover, and that will drop your filter down. Okay, so this is the one that we got here. This is carbon treated, so it should help with the quality of the air coming in. So yep, so it just goes one way really. So come on, let's put it. Okay, so yep, just push it in if I can. A little struggle in here. There you go. There you go. And just put in the cover and should be all set. Okay, so after putting in the cover, just simply slide that one in. So after you do that, just put the liner cover back in. So it's just a reverse process. This is very easy. So you get the idea. All right, so I just need two hands to put this in. Can it fit my tripod in the car? So yeah. All right, but yeah, just align these holes on the holes. All right. Okay, so yep, there you have it. There you have it. It's placed correctly in there. Yep. So yeah, so we should get some clean, fresh air from now on. Okay? So yeah, so if you like this video, if you find this helpful, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.